Bullish GMT value expectation is 66 cents to $1.55. STEPN cost could likewise reach $2.50 soon. Negative GMT cost expectation for 2022 is 46 cents, which is genuinely critical. In STEPN cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about GMT to examine the future development of the cryptographic money. STEPN current market status. The cost of STEPN is 56 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $170,496,184 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, GMT has expanded by almost 8.5% as of now. Besides, STEPN has a circling supply of 600 million GMT. At present, STEPN exchanges digital currency trades, for example, Binance, OKX, Whitebit, Upbit, Gate.io and KuCoin, which is very critical. What is STEPN? STEPN is the administration badge of STEPN. STEPN is a transition to procure NFT game based on lovely top of the Solana blockchain. This Web3 way of life application was made by the Australian firm Find Satoshi Labs and sent off in sort of late 2021 in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN utilizes a double symbolic model, green metaverse token and green Satoshi token. GMT fills in as the administration token, though GST is utilized for buying the in-game components. For example, STEPN's renowned NFT tennis shoes, which really is genuinely huge. STEPN empowers clients to procure cryptos for running, strolling, or running. STEPN value expectation 2022. The above graph of STEPN spread out the plunging channel design, otherwise called the falling channel. A slipping channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. At present, STEPN generally is in the scope of 57 cents. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of GMT could arrive at the obstruction levels of 56 cents, 66 cents, and 81 cents. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of GMT might tumble to 45 cents. The outlines show that STEPN has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, GMT could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $1.55. Likewise, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of STEPN could sort of plunge to nearly 46 cents, a negative sign. STEPN value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of STEPN sort of is displayed in the graph underneath. It essentially is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of GMT lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of STEPN is displayed in the diagram above. Strikingly, STEPN cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, GMT has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there fundamentally is plausible of an inversion pattern of GMT whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the GMT is 55.26. This implies that STEPN is in an overbought state. In any case, this implies a significant cost by and large inversion of GMT may truly happen in the forthcoming days amazingly. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. STEPN value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of STEPN, or so they thought. It most certainly assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values, in spite of mainstream thinking. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of STEPN. As of now, the ADX of GMT lies in the scope of 23.6391, and in this way, it demonstrates a powerless pattern. The above outline additionally addresses the general instability record of STEPN, or so they thought. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of GMT lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of STEPN especially is at 55.26, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of GMT with BTC, ATH. The beneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and STEPN. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of GMT is like BTC. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of GMT likewise increments or diminishes separately. STEPN value forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, STEPN could most likely accomplish $4 by 2023 amazingly. STEPN Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, STEPN could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, GMT could revitalize to hit $6 by 2024. STEPN Value Expectation 2025. If STEPN supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, GMT would energize to hit $8. STEPN Value Forecast 2026. If STEPN supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, GMT would mobilize to hit $10. STEPN Value Forecast 2027. If STEPN supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, GMT would energize to hit $12. STEPN Value Forecast 2028. STEPN holds up major areas of strength for and as a greatly improved speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, GMT would hit $14 in 2028, as opposed to mainstream thinking. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on STEPN, it would observe significant spikes. GMT could hit $16 by 2029. STEPN Value Expectation 2030 in an unpretentious way. With more prominent headways in the STEPN biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into GMT for the really next 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the especially token. Subsequently, STEPN could explicitly hit $18 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the STEPN organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for GMT. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of STEPN in 2022 really is $1.55. Then again, the negative value expectation of STEPN cost forecast for 2022 is 46 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the STEPN biological system, the exhibition of GMT would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $4.11 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $2.50 assuming the financial backers accept that GMT is a wise interest in 2022, or so they thought. One in a significant manner. What truly is STEPN? STEPN is the administration badge of the Web3 way of life application. STEPN. STEPN is a transition to procure NFT game that was sent off in August 2021. 2. Where might you at any point buy STEPN? STEPN has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Whitebit, Upbit, Gate.io, and KuCoin. 3. Will STEPN come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the STEPN stage, STEPN has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time